So DJI has unveiled its latest lineup of camera gimbals, the DJI RS4 and the DJI RS4 Pro. Now you might be wondering, how does the RS4 stack up against its predecessor, the DJI RS3 from 2022? Before we dig into that, let's take a moment to explore some of the major differences between the RS4 and its beefed-up sibling, the RS4 Pro. Who knows, it might just sway your decision in the most unexpected way. The RS4, priced at $549, is tailored to cater to your creative needs without breaking the bank. It's the perfect companion for solo shooters, offering remarkable stabilization and compatibility with lighter setups. On the other hand, the RS4 Pro, priced at $869, elevates the experience with a robust carbon fiber axis arm, capable of shouldering a hefty 4.5 kilograms, 10 pounds, payload, compared to RS4 with aluminium alloy arm and a load capacity of 3 kgs. The DJI RS4 Pro features DJI's AMF human-machine collaborative focusing, offering the convenience of autofocus with seamless transition to manual focus if needed, ensuring smooth footage. Additionally, it supports DJI's LiDAR focusing system with 76,800 ranging points, enabling precise focusing on subjects up to 20 meters away and reducing focus hunting. When paired with ActiveTrack Pro, LiDAR focusing ensures continuous focus even on moving subjects. Now, let's shift gears and compare the RS4 to its predecessor, the RS3. The RS4 boasts several upgrades, including an extended tilt axis, providing an additional 8.5 mm of balancing space and accommodating a plethora of accessories, such as microphones and front-heavy add-ons like ND filters. Plus, it can shoot vertical video straight out of the box, no extra accessories needed. There's also a new joystick mode switch for quick switching between joystick modes for zoom or gimbal control. Under the hood, the RS4 features DJI's 4th-gen stabilization algorithm, elevating your shooting experience with refined control and better stability for those on-the-go shots. And let's not forget about the RSA port, a feature previously exclusive to the RS3 Pro, now available on the RS4, opening up a world of possibilities with accessories like the DJI Ronin tethered control handle and more. Included with the RS4 is the BG21 battery grip, similar to the RS3, supporting 18W fast charging and offering a runtime of up to 12 hours, reaching full charge in about 2.5 hours. For extended usage, the RS4 is compatible with DJI's new $149 RS BG70 high-capacity battery grip, boosting runtime to 29.5 hours. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the DJI RS4 has got you covered with its versatility, performance, and innovative features. Well, that wraps it up for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, peace out.